My name is Joel Bernstein, and I'm the principal of the law office of Joel Bernstein. I write wills and I write trusts, and then when someone passes away, we do that kind of work also. And I've been doing that for pretty much 27 years. Wills and trusts are these legal documents that we use to be precise in how we want to leave our assets and who's going to be in charge of our assets and our affairs when we pass away.
Joel, first of all, is a very intense, educated person who loves this field. We work together very collegially, and we enjoy working with our clients. Our clients enjoy working with us. We have many clients who are non-US citizens. We have many single clients as well. And there is estate planning that you can do that will be reflective of who you are and what you want for your legacy.
Most people don't know much about estate planning, and they know less about what happens after you die. So we have a highly educational approach. I use a whiteboard that's sitting right over here, and on that whiteboard I show people graphically what will happen now if something happens to them, and then I show them what can happen if we change their estate plan by adding a will or a trust.
One thing we've done this summer is we made it our focus to make all of the documents even more clear and easier to read. And they're easier for our clients to understand.
We have a strong focus on plain English. If something is more readable, the chances are that it will be read. And when it's read, it can be followed. And when it's followed, you keep out of problems.
Post-death administration is what a person needs to do if they're a survivor after someone has died. And they might be named in a will or a trust as a personal representative. I try to make it as painless as possible, and I think they appreciate it because a lot of people are really overwhelmed when someone has died. And I enjoy helping them and letting them know that it's all going to be fine.
The experience that I had with Joel was one that really took away all of that apprehension, and he, at the end of the day, he gave me a finished product in a binder that really reflected exactly what it was that I was hoping to accomplish.
He is the most welcoming professional that I've ever dealt with. His heart is so big. He's so kind and generous with his time, with his energy, with his care. I never thought I could meet a professional who would treat me so holistically, actually, and I'm just really grateful.
I have to say that when your parents pass away, whether it's at the same time or one after the other, and you start taking over the role of the executor, it's a very emotional time. Everything you're doing for your parents, it's a reminder of them. And it's an emotional thing that you've had them your whole life, and suddenly they're gone. Having a team like Joel and Barbara here made it very easy.
He takes a very nuanced approach to the estate planning. At the end of the day, he managed to simplify the process, and I left feeling content and happy that I'd finally taken care of this.
There's a lot of humanity. You see it in the way they've created their estate plan, how they've specified things that are unique to their family or the charities they care about. And then you see it also in how they owned assets during the course of their lifetime.
I think we're successful because we've all known each other for a long time, and we work extremely well together.
Barbara and Joel are that patch of blue sky on a cloudy day when the sun shines through and you just start to smile because you know the clouds are going away.
My takeaway is that everyone, no matter what age they are, should have a consult with Joel Bernstein. And I mean that sincerely.
We can give protection to people, and that's what I enjoy doing.